According to a 2023 study, the USA has one of the largest gaming markets in the world, with over 212 million gamers and nearly $57 billion in gaming revenue. The US gaming industry is booming, but that also means insane competition. And now it's 2025. More gamers, more creators, more competition. So, how do you make your gaming channel stand out in this overcrowded space? If you're serious about making it big, stick around. And trust us, by the end of this video, you'll have a huge advantage over creators who ignore these strategies. Why normal gameplay won't work. A lot of people think the easiest way to start a gaming channel is by just recording gameplay and uploading it. Sounds simple, right? Just hit record, play your favorite game, and boom! Content! But why would anyone watch you play Call of Duty or Fortnite when they could just play it themselves? And that's exactly why generic gameplay videos don't work in 2025. Instead, the best way to grow is by adding entertainment value. And the easiest way to do that? Storytelling. The power of challenges and unique gameplay. Let's say you upload a video titled Minecraft Survival, Episode 1. Nobody's clicking on that. Sad, but true. But what if your video was titled, I tried beating Minecraft, but I can't stop sprinting? Trending challenge ideas for 2025. If you want viral ideas, try challenges like, Can I win a Warzone match without shooting? GTA 5. But every 60 seconds, the game gets harder. Beating Elden Ring without rolling. These work because they give the video a storyline, making it instantly more entertaining than a basic playthrough. Fun fact, 90% of a video's success depends on its thumbnail. Just look at these thumbnails from top creators. Mr. Beast Gaming always has big exaggerated reactions. Ludwig uses bright, simple thumbnails with clear emotions. Markiplier mixes reactions with in-game moments for maximum clickbait. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.